Alright, let me ask you, when was the last time you woke up and actually felt refreshed? If you're like me, you probably think you're getting enough sleep, but let's dig deeper. Here are 7 surprising clues your sleep might not be as restorative as you think, and some easy fixes too. First up, you're craving sugar or caffeine all day. That's a big red flag your body is hunting for energy it didn't get overnight. Try a consistent sleep schedule and swap that late-night scroll for a book. Second, your memory and focus are, well, kind of fuzzy. If you keep losing your keys or zoning out in meetings, your brain could use deeper sleep. Ditch screens an hour before bed and let your mind wind down. Number 3, you wake up with tension headaches or a sore jaw. That can mean you're grinding your teeth from stress even if you don't realize it. A quick fix? Try a calming nighttime routine. Think gentle stretching or guided meditation. Fourth sign, your mood's all over the place. Cranky, anxious, or extra emotional. Your sleep could be the culprit. Aim for 7, 9 hours and don't underestimate the power of blackout curtains. Fifth, you're sweating through your sheets. Night sweats aren't just uncomfortable. They often signal interrupted sleep. Keep your room cool and breathable. Sixth, you keep waking up to pee. Cutting back on late-night fluids and caffeine can help you sleep longer without interruptions. Last clue, your skin's breaking out or looking dull. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, so aim for quality rest and hydrate well. Now you know the signs and the fixes to help you wake up truly rested. Give these a shot and see how much better you feel. Sweet dreams!